Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a scanned PDF or a screenshot or a image file that can be a screenshot or any other image file into Word editable document. So we have, for example, this screenshot that is not editable. In my computer, it's located at the desktop of my computer. So we have this document named capture here that is not editable. I will go on my capture and select my document. I will just copy it and paste in my Word document. So as my screenshot has been pasted into my Word document, I should save the document as a PDF. So I go on save as, then browse to record the document in my desktop as PDF. I select the type PDF, then click on OK, and my document has been saved at the desktop of my computer as a PDF. So you can see that my document has been opened and it's now in a PDF format. So the second step is to open a new Word document. So then go on File and click on Open. When we are on Open, we cannot browse to go to our computer at the desktop and select our document. That is document doc1. So we click on OK, and we see that our screenshot has been saved as a Word editable document right now. So that's it for this tutorial. We hope it help you understand how to convert a image or scanned PDF file into editable Word or text document.